Alright, this is an unboxing of the Milwaukee M18 fuel 3-tool kit. Oh, here's my Harley Davidson. It's leaking oil again. It leaked about 1 quart of oil last night. That's normal. I'm just kidding. I drained the primary oil. So I got this today from a contractor online. He sold it to me for $250 cash. Normally these retail for about $550 from Home Depot. So I really got a good deal. And no, it was not stolen. Contractors get incentives from their employers, from the tool companies. They have rebates, which the employers give it to their employees for their bonuses. And then these employees sell these online. These go for about $200 to $300 on Facebook Marketplace. You can also try OfferUp. They sell for $200 to $300 depending on the person. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Here's the knife. Let's look at the box first. Comes with a hammer drill, brushless hammer drill, the impact driver, also brushless, brushless sawzall. It also comes with two 5.0 batteries. This is my first Milwaukee kit. I usually buy Ryobi because, you know, I'm not a contractor, I'm not a professional. I don't need anything powerful like this. Actually, I don't need it. But when I saw this thing online, I figured I needed this new saw anyway and a new drill. I figured, shoot, why not for $250? All right, well, you got your specs over here for the hammer drill, impact driver, the saw. What does it include? Comes with a bag too. So we'll see. Let me go open this up. Let's see. Looks like the handle for the hammer drill. You also have the saw blade. More cardboard. Here comes the saw. Feels pretty hefty. Feels good actually. Let me get this shit out of here. There's the saw. I'm gonna need that saw to start trimming these damn trees. They're overgrown. Put that away. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like the drill and the impacts in this bag. All right, let's go ahead and open her up. We got a little quick start up here. Shows you the different tools from Milwaukee. Operations manual. They got a promo going on. You can win a free t-shirt. Here's the charger. Here's one of the batteries. It's a 5.0. Another battery, 5.0. They don't feel that heavy. Here's the hammer drill. Feels pretty good. It's not too heavy. Here's the impact. Not too bad, not too heavy. Pretty small actually. Here's the bag. I don't think you can fit the saw in there with the other tools. But yeah, not a bad kit for $250. It's a great deal. If you guys are in the market for new tools, if you want brushless tools with, you know, lithium ion and all that cool stuff, I'd recommend not going to Home Depot and paying for these at full retail price, because you have to pay around $600 after taxes, when you can just go to Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp and get one of these brand new, not stolen, from contractors for more than half of $600. So all this $250. All right guys, bye.